Hi, John O'Donnell here from MarineMax on Kent Island, Maryland. Today I want to take you through a 2018 Scout 255 Dorado. Just came in on brokerage. Beautiful boat. We got twin 150 Yamahas on the back. Notice black in color to match the black hull. We also have a power pole on the transom here, so kind of blending the recreational and the fishing. So it's a real nice mix there, kind of true to the Scout heritage. Across on the swim platforms on either side, you got a swim ladder. You got the pass through here, right off the swim platform with the ladder. Of course, rod holders across here. Recirculating bait well. True to Scout, you also have the drop down cleats throughout, so they get out of the way when you're fishing or handling lines and when you're not actually tied up at the dock. Right through here, you've got pull down seats on the aft bulkhead and on your port quarter, and it forms a nice seating area right around your table with your cup holders here. We have a manually extending sunshade up top here, right off the back of the hardtop. So you have the big seating area, and then you have this great shade as well. So perfectly designed for nice family recreation. Back here we got the galley. Got just a little drawer storage here. You do have a freshwater sink, and you've got a nice cutting board here for prepping up your charcuterie while you're out with your friends and family. A pull-out slide here, ready, Yeti cooler ready to slide that right in there. You got some speakers here on either side. This seat right here is an electric seat, runs back and forth, and basically becomes sort of like a larger chaise type lounge as it comes all the way out and lays down. You can check out the videos on that. So here in the command center of this fine vessel, we have a nice Garmin multifunction display. You've got a Fusion radio and a Garmin VHF radio. You've got the Edson wheel with the suicide knob. Nice little glove box here for storage, so ready access. Nice to store your phone and whatnot in there. You have your Lenco trim tabs here. Here's your power pole control right here for the power pole back on the stern. Of course, your engine controls, your dual throttles for your twin 150 Yamahas, and then an assortment of controls here. Nice blue light, edge LED lit indicator lights around here. We also have where you plug in your shore power here because it has a built-in battery charger on board. Your bolster seat here for the captain, nice flip down bolster and a flip down armrest. We also have over here on the port side a co-pilot seat, and it's a dual partner seat with a flip down bolster as well. So you can have a total of 3 people sitting up here running the ship. Moving forward past your cup holders, on the port side, really nice looking head in here, a manual head, pump out, and we also have the bow filler cushion in there as well. Up here in the bow, we've got some really nice seating, U-shaped seating all the way around. We do have the pull-down armrests on the port and starboard sides. Working around here, nice stainless grab rails. So when you're underway, when you're sitting up here, you do have a nice place to hang on to. Cup holders, of course, another set of stereo speakers all the way around. Duplicates on this side with cup holders, grab rail, and seating throughout. Underneath these seats, port and starboard side, there is self-draining storage underneath there as well. Underneath here, you have access to your anchor chain and rode. Speaking of anchor chain and rode, you do have your windlass controls here, secondary controls to the controls at your helm. And then inside here, of course, you've got your bow boarding ladder. If you beach forward, drop your pole back aft and drop that ladder up forward. And then, of course, your anchor windlass and anchor. Thank you for going through this 2018 Scout 255 Dorado with me. I'm John O'Donnell. I'm at MarineMax Kent Island, Maryland. This boat is here and waiting. She is gorgeous, has been covered and lift kept. Absolutely wonderful boat. We've got sea trials standing by for you. Come on down. I'm looking forward to meeting you all.